Hello everyone, welcome to Table Talks. Today's episode isn't just about fits, it's about the fire stories behind them. Our today's guest is a fashion designer, blogger, from NIFT knowledge to content queen. Here we have Zui Thitme. Hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
How are you? I'm good. How do you feel?
I'm feeling very excited and bored at the same time because I think this is the first podcast I've ever done.
It's the first time I'm hosting a podcast as well. So it's our first time. So I actually asked them when we were brainstorming the whole idea. I asked my team that you are supposed to be the guest, and they were quite excited about it. But the first thing that they asked me is that how do you know her? And I said she's my friend, and they said how are you friends with her? And I had a whole different story. So how do you recall being friends with me?
I recall, how do I? Oh my god, what a question you asked me. Don't mean to that, guys.
But
When did we start talking?
as far as I remember, I when you started your
Yes.
business,
Thank you. I forgot about it. So I started my business and then you messaged me that you wanted something made, and I made a shitty ass outfit.
I don't think it was shitty.
I feel it right now because back then I wasn't even in lift. I was just stitching from my mom's sarees. And it was a time when I was still learning. And at that time, I don't know why I was taking orders, but I was. And then I stitched something for you. But it was, I think you were the, I mean, you were the second customer. But it was fun.
So I feel like it's a testament to your work. It's a testament to how far you've come from trials and errors. What do you think about that?
See, I started in lockdown 2021, if I'm not wrong. And trials and errors have been, I think, even in life when it goes like that, you have to fall into खड्ड्याला काय म्हणतात ग इंग्लिशमध्ये
Holes, potholes, potholes.
you have to fall into the khadda to realize that where you're coming from or what you have to learn. So जेव्हा तू खड्ड्यात पडतेस आणि तुला लागतं आणि तेव्हा तू बाहेर येतेस, that's when you realize that how you have to crawl up back again. And that's the same way I have learned stitching. Even when I went to NIFT, I had already been knowing how to stitch all of those things. So it was pretty easier for me.
So when we told our audience that Zui is the guest, they were quite excited to ask you a lot of questions on the Ask Me the Question thing on Instagram. So what's wider, designing a collection and outfit or making a reel go viral?
I feel designing is the wilder part because designing needs a lot of knowledge and studies that you don't need to do for being an influencer. An influencer does have a lot of efforts, but it is majorly luck factor, and that plays a big role, I feel. So that's why designing is more wilder.
So I know that you are really authentic to what you make, but have you ever said yes to a collaboration just for the money perspective of it?
Yes, I have. Because I feel that you need to start from somewhere. When you're starting, you don't have a lot of bigger brands reaching out to you. So you just have to go ahead with whatever you get in your hand. And I feel you have to do that for the start.
I feel you've obviously come a long way, but with the perspective of being exploited by big brands, offering you just a barter collaboration just or just a very low amount of money for your hard work. What do
Yeah.
you think about that?
I feel if I'm being very honest, I feel if you don't know how much this industry does charge usually, you eventually say yes for it because you have no idea, and then you'll be like, oh, they are offering me something in return. I should definitely go ahead with it, but it's not worth it because they demand so many things, and I mean,
stars and moons.
yeah. And without payment, and they say that it's a barter collaboration, we are giving you a product and you have to do this and this, but then in return they are like, we want this, we want that, and I was like, no. And then that's when I stopped doing barter collaboration.
A feature on their page as in a collaboration that they're asking you. Okay. Be honest. What are few of the outfits in your closet that you've made or purchased but you've never actually worn them?
So I don't have a closet, to be very honest. I have dabas.
Yeah.
So I have at least 12 boxes of outfits, and those are like this big, and I haven't ever worn them. The
Never.
outfits that I've made, I have maybe worn them once or twice max,
Okay.
but that's it. I have only one dabba that I actually wear.
So let's start with our next segment where we're going to try and get some confessions out of you. So it's never have I ever. Can I have the surprise? First word is never have I ever tried on my old outfit and then thought, oops, this is really ugly. Okay.
A lot of times, I think at least 50% of the times.
We love all your outfits too.
Because I don't show them on Instagram, the ugly one.
Have you ever bought fake fur?
No, I have never. I don't even know how to do that.
Deleted a post because it flopped.
I don't know lot of that.
How many times?
20%. Not that much.
Oh no, I had removed my entire account feed a year ago.
I think you've done that, but have you lied about being busy just to avoid a plan?
No, I have never actually because I love plants.
Okay.
I am an introvert, but I like going out. I like going into a lot of people also. So weird introvert I am.
Do you judge someone based on their outfits?
I only do that with my boyfriend.
You styled him though after that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the next segment is really fun, which is rapid fire round. What's the last DM you have left on scene?
Atharvas.
Last celeb crush.
I have no.
One trend you think needs to die.
Jeans.
Most used emoji.
Crying emoji.
First thing you do after you wake up.
I think I zone out for at least 2 hours.
Weirdest prank brief you've received.
They wanted me to make a 2 minutes reel.
Go to comfort binge watch.
Emily in Paris.
That's it.
Oh, we are done. I like rapid fire.
So this is the last segment, and which is by far my favorite one, which is give an answer or take a shot. coffee person or a chai person?
I'm neither.
So we've brought you coffee, plain dark coffee. So let's begin. So let's begin. What's what's the cringiest thing you've posted but didn't delete?
I think the water challenge, when you're supposed to pour water on your head and then you do a transition into a whole piece of makeup.
Okay.
I think that one.
One person you regret DMing.
How bad? My goodness.
Talk about the worst brand you have worked with or take a shot.
What?
Talk about the worst brand you've worked with or take a shot.
Why would you do that with me? I cannot talk about brands, you know.
I want you to think so.
Had to unfollow 3 creators, who would they be? Name them or take.
Because I don't have any creators that I want to unfollow. So I still have
You've done it, you've done it. Because
finally it's over.
finally it's over. This was the last segment.
With that,
Love working with you again.
same here.
Love having you as a guest.
Love having you as a host.
Does this look like an assignment for you or like more than that?
It looks more than that. It looks very professional.
Do you think we're quite ready to work in the
Yes.
Oh my
I
god.
think you guys are ready.
There a few of them are BMS students. Do you think they can also do that?
You can do what?
PMS students, they're management students here, my friends. Do you think they can also do this?
I think they did a well good job
Okay.
supporting me or like only cheering me up. Yeah.
Alright. We're here at Banot.co Brewing and Bistro.
It's
We-
my favorite place.
It is one of my favorite places too.
It's more like friends for me.
It reminds us of that.
Yeah, it
Yes.
does.
We had a lot of fun shooting this podcast. I hope you have the same fun watching it. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel Table Talks. Bye.